Dividing monomials. Okay, they call that the quotient of powers. Yesterday we were multiplying bases, so we added exponents. Today, when you divide bases, you subtract exponents. So quotient of powers, we subtract exponents. A to the m power divided by a to the p power. What we do is we raise a to m minus p. So m minus p, that is going to be our power. So g to the third power times h to the fifth power divided by g h squared. So what we do, g is going to be 3 minus 1, and h is going to be 5 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. H is going to be 3. We have k to the 7th power, m to the 10th power, p, over k5 m3p. So we write this as k, this is going to be 7 minus 5, m is going to be 10 minus 3, and p is going to be 1 minus 1. Okay, which p to the 0 power is 1. Okay, p, anything raised to the 0 power is just 1. So do I need to write p? No, I don't.
K is 2, M is 7.
That is all we write. No, because if I wrote p, then it would be to the 1 power, but it's not. It's to the 0 power, right? Well,
oh my gosh.
You don't write p to the 0 because that's just 1. Why would I need to write 1? Okay, so all I write is this, k squared m7. Write this down. This is the power of a quotient. We're raising a division problem to a power. A divided by b raised to the m power. We just distribute the m to both of those. So a to the m over b to the m. Alright, write these down. So I have 3p cubed over 7 raised to the second power. So the first thing I do is I distribute the second power to each one of these. Okay. P is being raised to the 6th power because it's 3 times 2. Remember that you multiply. Okay, when you're raising a power to a power, you multiply. So I raised 7 to the second power. So this is 9 P6 over 49. So that is my answer. 9p to the 6th over 49.
I'm simplifying. Dude, I understand.
That is as simple as you can do. Alright, so 5 squared times x10 y squared over 6 squared. We distribute the 2. Be quiet, please. We distribute the 2 power to each one of the terms. Squared is 25. 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36.
Oh, dude, I got this correct. This is easy.
There is my answer. 25 x10 y squared over 36. Write this down, guys. A to the 0 power is just 1. Anything raised to 0 power is 1, like we talked about earlier. If it gives you a problem like this, you would raise everything to the 0 power, which just means 1. So there's your answer.
Oh.
1. Write this.
This is 1.
This is x to the 5th, y to the 0 power over x to the 3rd power. Y to the 0 power, that's 1, so we can just cancel that out. Then we just divide x to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd. When we divide bases, we subtract exponents. X squared. A to the negative n power. Okay, when a power is when it's a negative power, we flip it to the bottom. So a to the negative n is the same thing as 1 over a n. Okay? Does everyone understand that? So if it's a negative exponent, you flip it. If it's on top, it goes to the bottom. If it's on bottom, it goes to the top. So n to the 5th power, okay, I write that as n to the negative 5th power. Okay, I flip it. I put it on the bottom. P to the 4th, I leave. Okay, because it's not a negative exponent. R to the negative 2 power, okay, I flip it, so now it goes on top. So my answer is p to the fourth r squared over n to the fifth power. Write this down. These are what you're going to see in your homework.
1.
This is 2a squared b cubed c to the negative fifth power over 10a to the negative third power b to the negative 1 power c to the negative 4 power. So first thing I do is I separate each of these by terms. 2 over 10 a squared over a negative 3.
Well, I thought you flipped it.
Hold on, I'm just separating them out first so it's easier to do.
Oh, you flip it over?
Hold on.
He's just separating them, dude.
C to the negative fifth power over C to the negative fourth power. Negative fifth power over the negative fourth power. Just like this. Now I can go through and simplify each one. 2 over 10.
9.
2 over 10 is 1/5. A squared over a to the negative 3. Now we flip up a to the negative 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's going to be a squared times a to the third power. What do we do when we have,
Add.
when we're multiplying bases? We add.
So 5. A5.
So it's going to be a to the fifth. Okay. Now the book, it'll kind of write it like this. Be 2 and then minus because you're subtracting, but it'd be a negative number. Okay. Which same thing as just adding them, right? Flipping it up and adding. So a to the fifth. This is 3 minus negative 1, okay, because you subtract if you're dividing. Okay, 3 minus negative 1,
2.
you're going to end up adding them, right? It's b to the fourth. This is negative 5, okay, so we can put that down here. Well, it's going to, hold on. So it's going to be, if I flipped it, I would get c to the fourth over c to the fifth. Okay, well, so we subtract these, right? We're dividing bases, so we subtract.
Oh, I was right.
4 minus 5 is negative 1. So instead of writing it as negative 1, we write it as just c.
What?
When you do negative C.
Well, if it was c negative 1 right here, right, couldn't I just write it as bottom? C, to make it positive.
Why'd you put 5C down at the bottom?
Well, because this is 1/5.
Oh, see.
Yeah, I made the 5 on the bottom. Here's your assignment.